If you're having trouble with voice chat in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and set it up correctly. This guide will help you ensure that your voice chat is functioning properly. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Navigate to the game's audio settings. Ensure that the voice chat volume is turned up and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify your microphone settings. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your computer. You can do this by checking your system's sound settings to confirm that the microphone is set as the default recording device. Step 3. Adjust in-game voice chat options. In the Overwatch 2 settings, go to the voice chat section. Ensure that voice chat is enabled and that you have selected the appropriate voice chat mode, team, or group. Step 4. Check network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat. Make sure your connection is stable and that there are no issues with your internet service provider that could affect voice communication. Step 5. Restart the game. If you have made changes to your settings and voice chat is still not working, try restarting Overwatch 2. This can help apply any changes and resolve temporary glitches. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the game's support page for further assistance.